up, guys? My name is Jeff, and you are welcome. Yes, you are welcome to our channel, and welcome to our Vlogmas Chuni Chuni. So this is our first time to do Vlogmas ever. I didn't even have idea what Vlogmas was. I thought Vlogmas is for vlog for mamas, but turned out to be vlogs for Christmas, I believe. For this year's Vlogmas, I hope we can religiously do it, like upload a video every day. That's going to be from the 1st of December up until the 24th. Today is December 1st, and we will have the like a really I suppose the really raw video, not so much edits going on. But yeah, this is our first day of Vlogmas Chuni Chuni, and today we are heading off to the store to get some stuff, and oh no show to get some stuff, and then we are gonna assemble our Christmas tree because we're supposed to do it like earlier because we're some kind of busy and sometimes lazy. Well, it's just so in time because today is December 1st and we have we have content, I'm pretty sure, for our first day of Vlogmas. Alright, so see you later, folks. Hi guys, right now we are at the Canadian Tire because we are looking for some ornaments for our Christmas tree. So this is how it looks like, and I love it. It's not busy today. What's on the list? So Christmas balls, and what else? Yeah, we can have this. $10 from $40 to $10. That looks like a good deal, bro.
Yes. So I grab one?
Yeah, grab one.
Main gani wala tani palit tani paglas.
I know. Hey, so this is a good deal. Ooh, they're not on sale, so we're not gonna look at this. So cute. Oh, so pretty. This one. We are also trying this one out. This is a kaleidoscope bulb. Hey guys, so we just got out from our last stop to get the advent calendar. I got mine. But we are finally going home and it's already dark. What's this? Hi guys, so it's after dinner and we are ready to set up our old Christmas tree. FYI, this is just the same Christmas tree we set up from last year, and to those who haven't seen our Christmas tree from last year, here are some photos of it. Ting, ting, ting. There we go.
Oh, I forgot. So there's color, it's color coded. There's yellow, there's orange, and then there's gray ones. You have to separate.
So while we're watching Netflix, guys, I don't know what we're watching. What is this?
He's a prince. No. Usually taas na mo. Gamay.
Ano na rin siya?
I think so.
Hey, feel this one. There was a machine. But I can look for that after my coffee.
2 and then 1?
Yan, sa taas.
Sa tunga.
Unless your plan is to stand out every day, I suggest you stay. I've been boxing around for a year.
We are halfway through. So the Christmas tree is done. I mean, it's not done, but you know, the tree setup is done. We have just assembled the tree, and it didn't take so long to like do it. And yeah, this is our goal for day 1 of our Vlogmas. Hopefully tomorrow we will set up. We will start decorating the tree, and just and that's exactly the reason why you should keep watching our Vlogmas series, because this is one of our highlights, our Christmas tree setup. So do you know what time is it now? Okay, it's time for the advent calendar, guys. search for a nice advent calendar, we've actually ended up with 5. This one is mine, big one, and I don't know who this is for. I think this is April's too, and
Mine and Nathan are same.
I would say mine is different. There's a Kinder Joy. I like lint. I basically like lint. So
And we have 2 extra.
2 extras. Yeah, so we're gonna open.
Yes!
We're gonna open day 1. Nathan.
You can get change in the storage locker.
Hey guys, so it's time to open our what's this?
Advent calendar.
So what do we do with the advent calendar, Nathan? Do you know?
We open them each day of December.
So you can only open one,
Yeah.
I want to.
and it's until the 24th
Yeah.
of December. So tomorrow we're gonna open another one. So let's start opening them. Hey, so we are opening. We are opening day 1. What's day 1? It says number 1. Mine is here. It says number 1 here. So we can only open
One.
once every day up
Yeah.
until the 24th
So
of
me and
December. You can.
split.
Oh, okay. Ready to open?
Okay, let's open it.
Here's
It's
mine.
number 1, Nathan.
How to open? Oh, here. Here is mine, guys. Ooh, look at that! It's chocolate. Hey, show yours, Nathan.
We got the same thing.
Same thing with Nathan.
So it's
It's a
Cheers.
small Kinder Joy.
okay. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, so let's eat it. Oh my God, the still hig.
Just test.
Yay! So here's mine.
Where's yours? I already ate one. Is it good?
Ah.
It's so lata though. Oh yeah, it worked.
I'm so excited to open another one tomorrow. We're so done for Vlogmas day 1. 23 more days to go. And every day.
Oh, so we're gonna make one tomorrow.
Yeah. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you next time. Bye.
Podcast.
Guys, I'm opening another one. Where's number 1? Here's number 1. It's here. No, look. What's this? It's chocolate. I open number 2. It's